3, 2, 1.
What song from the Another Cinderella Story is performed by Drew Seeley and Selena Gomez? The answer is D, New Classic. How many cats were remaining? The answer is D, there were 2 cats remaining. When was amnesty granted to those responsible for the massacre? The answer is B, 1573. In which year did the novelists George Bernard Shaw and George Orwell die? We'll accept plus or minus 1 year. The answer is A, 1950. In what year were the several tramways completed? The answer is D, 1871. Skeletal muscles must work in pairs to move bones back and forth at a joint because they can only do what? The answer is A, contract. When were Napoleonic remains returned to the resting place at Les Invalides? The answer is A, 1840. Name the year Idi Amin seized power in Uganda. Barriers collapsed at Ibrox Stadium, killing 66 people, and Joe Frazier beats Muhammad Ali on points. The answer is D, 1971. Which of the following fears is not of a color? The answer is D, Madrocophobia. People are riding in a boat in the water. The boat, what happens next? The answer is A, is pulling a tube with a man behind it. Penny, how would you do this? The answer is A, could destroy a grater. Reduce amount of fruit sugar. How would you do this? The answer is A, drink juice instead of eating solid fruit. What genre of dance may the child be dancing? The answer is A, hip-hop. How do I spend my time now? The answer is D, I do and put things off. In what year was the Darfur Report issued? The answer is B, 1967. Who is being so loud on board? The answer is C, it was the Sporting's players. In blackjack, what card combination is called blackjack? The answer is A, an ace and a card with value 10. Which of the following dental topics is developmentally appropriate for toddlers? The answer is C, correct toothbrushing technique. What are the little green boards in the computer called? The answer is A, daughter cards. How many people did the FBI wound before 1993? The answer is C, 150. What year was the National Archives establishment established in? The answer is B, 1934. Why might one frequent a bookstore of this type? The answer is C, because one is a feminist. What was the build number of the Windows 9 release preview? The answer is C, 8,400. Constantinople once again became a capital in what year? The answer is D, 1261. The chemical formula for water is H2O. What does the formula show about each element in the compound? The answer is D, the number of atoms of each element. How do you divide something? How would you do this? The answer is A, smash it up into tiny pieces. A woman is stacking up hula hoops around her. What happens next? The answer is A, lifts them up with the help of another woman. The League of Nations, the forerunner to the United Nations, was founded in what year? The answer is D, 1919. What may be the reason why vodka affected their memory? The answer is D, because they drank too much. What does the speaker think about Cold Stone? The answer is D, they really liked it. Pen tip, how would you do this? The answer is A, can poke a person. When did the Second Council of Nicaea begin? The answer is A, 787. In which year did the managing director meet with the representatives of the Big Five football clubs? The answer is C, 1990. In what year did the Namahiro War hostilities stop? The answer is D, 1880. What year saw 42 Labour MPs face defeat? The answer is D, 1910. A dog is sitting on an orange couch. A dog, what happens next? The answer is A, is sitting in a bathtub getting a bath. We see a lady talking in the bathroom. What happens next? The answer is B, shows us her blow dryer box. When was ClarisWorks reincorporated back into Microsoft? The answer is C, 1998. Handkerchief, how would you do this? The answer is A. Wash the grease off the pan surface. How long, in cubits, was Noah's Ark? The answer is B. 300. What may be the reason I saw that movie? The answer is A. I like superhero movies. How many top 10 singles on the Hot 100 does Madonna have? The answer is A. 38. Why is the narrator opting not to speed? The answer is A. There is a meter in the car. The scene opens up with a car wash and an advertisement. Two men. What happens next? The answer is A. Are talking while one is sitting in his car. Why may he have been trying to hook a coho? The answer is C. He was hungry and wanted to eat. In 2002, which manufacturer announced the first 3GPP-compliant edge-enhanced data rates for GSM Evolution handset? The answer is A. Nokia. Meg Ryan was in what daytime drama from 1982 to 1984? The answer is A. As the World Turns. Title screens appear to open the video. A woman in a red top is kneeling on a blue mat. The woman. What happens next? The answer is A. Rises and stretches forward and back on the mat. What will happen after they remove their training wheels? The answer is A. They will ride their bike on their own. Which one of these men did Marlena cheat on Days of Our Lives?